Yo, what's up, code fam? Lucinda here, ready to drop some knowledge on the longest harmonious subsequence problem. First, we need to peep the problem and set up our function. Basically, we gotta find the longest subsequence where the max and min diff is exactly 1. We'll use a hash map to count the frequency of each number. The pseudocode is 1. Initialize a hash map. 2. Count frequency of each number. 3. Find max length of harmonious subsequence. Aight, time to cook. Now we're gonna implement the core logic. First, we'll loop through the input nums array and populate our frequency map with the counts of each number. Then we iterate through the frequency map. For each number, we check if its neighbor number plus 1 also exists in the map. If it does, we calculate the length of the harmonious subsequence and update max harmonious length if needed. Pseudocode, loop through each number, update if a neighbor exists. Let's go. Okay, squad, let's polish this gem. We already got the core logic down, but now we're gonna make it extra robust. First, I added some comments to explain what's going on. We could add a check at the beginning to handle an empty input array, but TBH, it doesn't change the complexity much. For optimization, we could potentially use a sorted data structure if we expected frequent updates to the input array, but for this problem, the hash map is pretty efficient. Boom.